Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you the folder game, and in the first activity I have vehicles and animals. As you know, both of them have speed, so he is differentiating in between them and pasting them on the printable accordingly. This next activity is the missing number activity. So I missed few numbers in between and he had to paste all the numbers according to the sequence. So I did not write 14, so he had to find the number that comes after 13. This is how a child can easily memorize the numbers from whatever sequence you give them. I have given him from 11 till 20. The next activity is the counting number activities. There are two ways that you can do counting. This is number one, and as he can write easily now, so he had to count how many fingers he sees are open and closed, and he had to write the numbers accordingly. These folders are, I made these folders when my first boy was 1 year old, so I didn't get time to do any other activity, so I pulled out this folder and I started doing this activity with my 2-year-old and with my 4-year-old. This next activity is the color matching activities. In this they had to find the animal's color and they learn the animals' names as well. This is the matching shadow activity. I made a video already on this, so I'll put the link in the description box. It is an activity for any age group. Close 3 fingers starting from here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now count how many fingers are left. 1, 1, 2, 3, 7 fingers. Okay, now 5 fingers. Close 5 fingers. Say count 1, 2, 3, 5. And how many fingers are left? Say it from your mouth now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. So this next activity is the color sequence activity. In this activity I put a cardboard in front and I told him to follow the sequence, not placing the way he wants them to, just to follow the sequence. This is how they can easily learn how to follow direction and instructions either at home or in school. There are a lot of activities in this folder, so if you want me to make a separate video on it, so leave your suggestion in the comment box and I'll show you the entire folder and all the activities stored in them. So before you make them learn counting orally or in written, make sure that you make them learn the counting of tens first. So it's not necessary that you print it out or find a template for it. You can even draw it and cut few formic sheets and make them paste them, or ask them after that. You can ask them orally as well. because every number ends with a tens number. Good job. Good job. Now, what is this? THREE. Three. EE. Three. TRE. Three. E. See? TH को साथ you read together.
Three.
E. Three.
Oops.
Red, green, red.
Green.
Then,
Red.
then.
Green.
Good job. Now, focus over here.
Black.
Black, yellow, black.
Yellow.
Then,
Black.
then.
Yellow.
Good job. Blue, purple, blue.
Purple.
Then,
Blue.
then.
Purple.
Good job.